What is up, everybody? My name is Tyler Potts and we are going live at 10 p.m. tonight GMT, which is in roughly two hours and 10 minutes from my time. When this goes up, it'll probably be roughly 2 hours, maybe 1 hour 45 minutes, guys. So head over to our channel, hit that subscribe, hit that bell. I'm signed in, so I can't show you the bell button. Oh god. Yeah, well, hit that bell button and you'll get notified when we go live. This is the project we're going to be building. It's a Nuxt app. It's a Nuxt project app. So you create your own project. So we're going to say this is our first project, and in the description we'll say this is our first project. Hell yeah, let's hit create. And there we go, we've got our first project. So that, if we go back to the home screen, as you can see, it's our first project. It has a few bits of stats on it. And if we open that up, we're using Nuxt.js, by the way, which is a vue.js framework. And we're using root params up here to get the project we want. We're going to create a task in here. Let's say our first task. Create, and as you can see, our first task is added in. We can click it to mark it as done. We could hit remove, but I'm not going to do that just yet. We could say our second task, hit create, and there you go, we've got our second task. And now we can rearrange this stuff backwards and forwards however we want to reorder it. So there's an ordering system, and then we can finally hit remove on our project, mark one as done, whatever. Let's quickly create another task, quickly just say task 3. And let's mark the first one as done, go back home. As you can see, it says active task 1, completed task 1, and total task of 2. And again, we can create as many projects as we want, just project 2, short description, this is project 2. We can hit create, and again, we've got a second project, same deal. We can create multiple tasks, we can reorder it. And this doesn't affect any of the other projects. The projects are all separate. So as you can see, there you go. We've got our tasks and stuff to do. So this is awesome. This is what we're going to be creating in this video. You can expand upon this. You can ask me questions at the end of the video, or the live stream, shall I say. And we'll also, I'm going to try and get the feeds, what everyone's saying in the right, so everyone understands what's happening if you watch this on YouTube. So I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Thanks for watching.